This week's edition of Backcountry Ski Tips. When packing your espresso maker and you get excited, there's no electricity in the backcountry, so it doesn't matter that you forgot the base to steam the milk, to whip it up. What you have to do is get this thing going. And get your espresso maker. Ooh, that's hot. Get your espresso maker going. You want to position it in the center of your cooking surface so it doesn't splash on your heated boot bag. That'd be bad. And then remember you're roughing it. So you got to microwave where is it? At 30. You got to microwave the cream, the half and half rather. We're roughing it, and put this back. Remember to take care of your ingredients. Wildlife will find it and break in and start making espressos. You don't want bears. You don't want to get bears started on that. Dry your laundry in front of the fire. You have a place to sit because you're going to take a bath later, of course. Yeah, outside is just about done. Let's get back to this. Never leave a watch pot unboiled. Is that how it goes? What am I missing? I'm gonna need a cup. Oh. Badass. That's almost perfectly clean right there. All right. How's my cream coming? Oh, it could go a little more. Add 30. You don't want to let that boil over. That'll create a mess. Meanwhile, your coffee's, you gotta be able to multitask. Ready. Half and half, that is. I didn't even bring a lid to froth it. Oh well. This is wilderness camping at its finest. Just barely getting by. Yeah, right there. Okay, the coffee is just about ready. That's there. All right, ready to pour in the microwave. Very hot, half and half. Didn't get to whip it up because I was a dummy and forgot the lid, forgot everything. It's okay. Now, I'll put that in there, I'll give it a little shake and it'll be good. That's badass. Oh. That's badass. might have paid $8 a gallon for gas, but I ain't paying $8 for an espresso. Now, my heated clothes bag, heated boots, heated clothes. Make sure this area is prepped. I'll be able to shave. I got a jacuzzi tub. I'll be able to stretch out yesterday's muscles. Ah, all right.
We were reporting the extension of that ceasefire between Israel and Lebanon. We're now actually hearing the Israeli military have issued an evacuation order for a southern Lebanese town north of the security zone, saying that it will
Enjoy.
So the Israeli military issuing an evacuation order for a town in southern Lebanon, saying it's going to strike there. That is
Oh, that's good.
of the Lebanon.
Whew.